Good evening everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to update you on Tour de France crash update. So before moving to the review on this sad news, it is my request to subscribe my channel by pressing bell icon. Joy Jackson is okay after a big crash and his bike is totally broken in this accident, and the race was in full swing when this sad accident happens, and Joy Jackson is badly injured. Soon the emergency services rushed and he had given a medical aid, and now the report is from the hospital that he is okay but a fracture on shoulder. The updates are coming. As soon as we will receive more updates, we will update you on this Tour de France, which is in progress when the sad accident took place. Stay tuned, subscribe my channel, like this video and share with friends. Soon we will come back. Thanks for watching. Bye.